the 3-point game. That over the course of 12 games, that can get you very safely into winners brackets. So I just say they'll be taking that
very safely.
Well, I mean, yeah, this is where Panzerfaust come in play, and I'm like, don't be. Just the whole. I mean, 4 in a car was never a good idea.
No.
But now that they have a weapon that can one-shot 4 in a car, that's just even worse.
I think, does the bus have enough health to survive one though? I think it
I feel
might.
like the damage alone from the Panzerfaust kills the people inside the car.
Oh, I think you're right.
Even if even if the vehicle survives.
The vehicle will survive, but they will not.
And it's a pretty big target to hit. You don't have to headshot them or
It's
anything. You're just gonna hit the bus. That's it. That's the thing. So hopefully they'll be swapping vehicles over to get closer. Circle centers up. I don't want to say kind of as expected because this one could really have gone anywhere, but we're centering up, and so will everyone else after. The next circle should take us over towards none other than Gen G. So we'll see if they can somehow back-to-back. So right now the position is looking very, very good.
And this is just such an awkward circle to play on the western wall. There's really not that much to play. As you see, the Expendables trying to get into a dip, but Tyloo is so ready to receive this.
It's such a weird situation where you have plenty of space on the south, but as you can see here, there's nothing in the south to be played on. Everyone knows that what little there is down here is already taken, which is why you're seeing teams forced to take fights in areas of the map they normally would have never even been in. So everything on the edge is taken, with the exception of one of the north side compounds. Gen G had it in the split before, but thankfully now realize and call it early, saying we could stay, but then we're bound to lose players. And if there's one thing Gen G doesn't like to do in the early game, then it's lose players unnecessarily.
And they're fairly good at actually keeping those players alive. When they die gloriously with 4 up. So
Obviously, I don't know, but they die together, that's for sure.
But yeah, Tyloo is still trying to take shots. The Expendables will actually make it to where they were trying to play, but that position Tyloo holds is actually so good for anyone trying to rotate on that road, which is why they've taken it. And then the other side of that, you have E-Arena as well. And Dates right now running right into Na'Vi, and they will find 2 an example in Mel.
How do they get 2 off that car pull up? They go, here comes the train,
The
and
slowest
just like that, Na'Vi loses 2. So Uber, they lost Ali earlier as well. Uber solo player left alive trying to wrap north around, but he's going to be running straight into Forest. But then again, I mean, yesterday we saw Uber go from, I think it was actually 12 teams alive and finish 4th. Only thing is this time around he does have a whole city to hide in. So we'll see. Adusi must at least have heard him, but how actively will question mark try and find him? That's going to be the question.
The other issue is him just getting in. He's scouting right now, looking for any position to play, and there really isn't much. A solo could find a dip off the southwest of that crossroads, but Friendly Fire is going to hear that vehicle as well. I'd be surprised if he even makes it in, but Uba has done some pretty incredible things solo before. As you said yesterday, going from 12th place to 4th is not bad, as he's saved them with a few kills and placement points.
А, уже вторая игра, что ли, ебать? Я думал, на первую игру опоздал. Ага, я добиваю. Gen G 20 поинтов, бля. Ебут нахуй. Gen G чемпион. Да, Никита. Что-то китайцы трахать начали, не знаю. Тайлу опять, бля, охуенно сидит. Gen G тоже прикольно сидят, но на них выйдут. Да, на них выйдут. Это не знаю. Но Тайлу, блядь, опять нахуй на топ играет. Заебал. Короче, Тайлу что-то под чем-то играет, я не знаю. Что-то жестко играет. А Дози душманит. 8 поинтов, в принципе, пойдет за одну игру. Хорош. Добей. Блять, не смог. Что придется ходить сдать. Ну-ка, еще 2. Хорош, блять. Хорош. Прям как я играет. Ну да, но Олежек, короче... Поскольку там команд? У Ники не команда. АБЦ. Кто у Ники команда? По 6 команд же, 16 команд должно быть. Кто Бетертины? А, бля, просто общий плейсмент я заебал. Artık brain lock atama. Просто алтыға модель дейді. Абыт сидит. Скиппи умирает там без шансов. Там никто ему не поможет. Даже бог. Чё, блядь, он живой, что ли?
As Pixel will find the knock on a master, and they're gonna go off that. And I love this aggression again. Friendly Fire, when they are dialed in and when they're feeling good, they will push and they will find that aggression.
Knock
Actually coming from Phil first.
Across the top of the map finds one. They heard the commotion over here and they wanted a piece of the point pie. As Friendly Fire now, they know they have to deal with Forest before they can go further forward, and they are very, very secure.
Mini sharpshotик. Bam.
As I say that though, Sharpshot, those get naded, those get taken down. Master creeping further forward, takes a headshot from Filbers. Oh, it's the double immediately after the swing just to go down to blue. As Forest falls in return. What a hero play from Master to take down two with him.
And that was beautiful. I was just talking about how good Friendly Fire is in these positions when they have the knock and they push that, but man, Forest turning that around, and if you're gonna die, taking out a team with you is the way to go. They got the kill points and the placement point there. Beautiful
stuff. Huge. That was the best you could make of a somewhat
troublesome situation. Охуенно зона на твайсах. Но на них, от них зона уходит. Сейчас снизу будет играть. Тайлу файнит, пиздец, я не знаю. А то сверху будет играть против ТЕ, походу. Так, не в спину еще, а я выйду.
Luminosity now have to start moving into this, and there is something to play, but they're going to actually end up being right on top of Petrichor once they do inevitably make it into circle.
Fights will have to come to an end quickly for these teams to start focusing inward. E-Arena, aware of this, trying to push forward. Nice defense.
Соник же всегда были слабые.
Being lopped up there with the smoke grenade launcher. I believe that was Doozy saying you only have one angle to peek is where you're safe. If we block you off, you're forced to go back down. Doozy and Question Mark don't want to take this fight to E-Arena right now. They just want to focus inward. They want to maneuver and say, let's just roll right in side by side, because E-Arena is that much closer to the opponents. So let them take the majority of the fire coming their way. And well, we went from Korean action. Let's watch NA find each other.
Oh, look, it's my friends, as they are now fighting in this very awkward elevation here on the northeast side of the circle. And again, they're gonna have to contest with multiple teams.
No, nахуй.
What a turn though! Relo will find that knock, but Hwin is right behind them.
What a spin, and that's a weird angle to have to spin to straight up in the air. He goes, finds the double headshot over the top, and that's one more down. Strimsy only knock so far though. For Sonic should be able to get the rest on up. As Flood, fortunately for Sonic, is kind of holding off Gen G, at least to the best of his ability. It was just before, so they're going to be wrapping further around.
Соник очень хороший угол держит.
The issue is these rocks are sharp and steep as hell, so they're not easy to maneuver. So
У них прям зона победы.
Если
закроют, конечно.
Trade from EJ and Flood doing everything that he can, but it's actually going to be Sonics with the assist.
The ultimate cleanup duty is set up by Sonics. Flood said, guys, I did as much as I could, now it's on you. EJ is still alive, but with the circle closing in and phase 5 being on us, it is going to be difficult, if not near impossible, for them to get that in mind.
Бля! Пизда, провал, нахуй. Сониксы на ровном месте, блядь, двоих потеряли. Теперь не выиграет. Хотя вчера Тайлуа разъебывали на 2 ебала.
Wow, they could have wrapped back down on the eastern side, come in on the other side, and now what could have been a massive game for Sonics. Don't get me wrong, 7 kills on the top 5 placement is still huge, but they fall. What a turn. Again, awkward angles to have to flick, but we see it time and time again. These guys on LAN, global setting, they don't care. They will play the best PUBG they can.
Between EJ and then Relo's flick earlier, we saw just straight up is disgusting. And oh, this is that crash.
The follow-up pull-up, that is amazing.
Larix with 3 though. Yeah,
Ебать, там крашнули.
but now on the south side we do look at Twisted as well as the Expendables, and the problem here is even if either one of these teams is able to get the flush and the knocks on the enemies, rotating in is going to be very difficult, especially with Tyloo's position.
Yep, Tyloo ate a couple of circles yesterday, and seems like they're still hungry for more as this one swings up towards the north. That car has about 3 bullets left in it before it blows up, so we'll see what they can make happen. I like that Twisted Minds moves early.
Давайте, молодцы.
They have to get here before Expendables possibly can. Look at the amount of damage coming through as long.
Это и очень плохо. Ай, там умирает.
Distance Tyloo has just been harassing. They have 5 kills, but I'm very curious to see what their damage is actually all about as they are just peppering the Expendables here. They're not even in circle here, and they're pulled up right above Twisted.
Another team who has 0 points so far, but we cannot take out of the equation is Petrichor. They're set in the compound. They haven't had to move much this game, so helmets, vests, ammo,
Да.
utility, all should be in good shape. But as you're saying, I mean, this Expendables push.
И Тайлу опять фармит, я не знаю, это просто разъеб какой-то.
It's unfortunate is the word that I would use there for the Expendables as they
Просто кошмар,
do their
блядь.
best, but again, playing on this west wall is so difficult because as you see there is just not much terrain on top of the fact we have a team like Tyloo sitting center compound with sight lines onto pretty much everything. But I am very curious to see how Petrichor does approach this again with the utility, with the lack of being harassed and the fact that their armor is still in good shape.
It's an awkward open angle for them to run in from, though, as
It
they
is.
have to make their way around that southern side of the hill, straight up. I mean, you can see this open
Twisted,
field here.
yes.
Thank you.
Тайлу в
Absolutely.
каком-то ебнутом форме, я не знаю.
Eventually they will have to pass through the field up towards Tyloo.
Прям вообще
We have
трахают.
Twisted Minds and Arena on the other side just sat there saying, oh, please do. Please do. We're wounded. We've been fighting all game. Now it's our turn to sit
Licking
back.
their lips
Now
up.
it's our turn to sit back and shoot at moving
Инопланетяне,
targets. You've been doing
здорово.
all game long.
Плов? Плов и салат
They do have
какой-то.
that ridge to work with, so they are hidden from Tyloo if they want to make some sort of push onto E Arena.
And for Petrichor, this is a case of we do not
Тохкина.
anywhere
Кафешкина.
until we're forced to. Everyone right now is
Здорово, Дрейк.
sitting there fourth of the circle saying, dear PUBG gods out there, if there's a time to give us a
Това
signal,
сера.
now would
Ну, Гимби, мало, слабо,
if it
слабо.
goes west of the road, it would have to really swing, but if it goes over here, both the Arena and Twisted Minds, despite being duos, could actually look primed to fight this one out. And if it goes south, it's all kinds of hell for Tyloo.
А just
everyone's gonna wait for
работал.
those extra 5 seconds to see where this next one takes
Yeah,
us.
given the correct circle, Twisted and E Arena could absolutely take control of this
Yes.
game, even with all the control that Tyloo had. But this is going to set her right up on their compound. And so realistically, the onus is on Twisted. It is on E Arena. And Petrichor actually with a good angle here. They can just kind of sit
Должно
back.
работать.
That's the thing, they don't, as long as they can deal with E Arena and Twisted Minds before being envisioned to Tyloo,
nice ridge.
it's good for them, exactly. The thing, had this circle been just 10 meters further towards the northern
Харанхал будто отдохту.
Petrichor would have been in all kinds of trouble. You've been in the case now where like
Махтал,
this is-
говорит.
like, this is our chance to 4v4 until these other two teams on the other side engage on us. But because they have literally
Не знаю,
little
Твайс
bit of
умирает.
space, that would be around 6 to 8 feet for you Americans out there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Because they have this little bit of extra space to maneuver, you can see how they're setting up here. They want to take out the duos. They don't want to get bit in the butt by all these snakes roaming in the fields. They want to deal with them and say, great, this is not going to be a good 4v4 for us regardless, but at least now it's a 4v4. Now it's just the compounds
Yes.
that we have to worry about.
As you said, exactly. They can focus on the teams on the west, and they don't need to move on top of the fact they have vehicles. So if they do need a desperate send later, the fact that Mill has an arm is going to be very devastating as well if they can get a knock later in the fight for
And then to
Tyloo.
go back to the talk of them not having to really fight a whole lot in the previous
либо
stages of this
когда.
game. These are small buildings.
Хорошо.
Two blue zone nades, you're
Да, блин,
deciding
после этой игры
where
посмотрим.
building on approach. So if you have one guy
Хорошо.
lobbing blue zone nade forwards, a car crashing in at the same time, that's you getting
А,
a
спасибо за донат, кстати.
entry,
Бедный
obviously,
пропадает,
but
думаю-то.
a somewhat safe at least approach
Махтал ему.
towards the building, and you can see that's kind of what they're setting up now. They found some
Actually,
some freight
4
gear as
vehicles,
well.
which
Yeah,
can be
Сама
they
клип, да.
all got
difficult to hold
they
against
all
that
got
crash.
past, but they're waiting, of course, still for the final circle again. As long as they're inside the circle, they're not in a hurry. I think this is the same case for everyone. Get those knocks, remove some helmets, but they're not in a hurry. They'll wait 45 seconds if they have to hope that the final circle swings out of the compound.
Yeah, and Twisted obviously want to take what little position here that E Arena have, even though there really isn't much play. There's a dip. They could use their vehicles, but they're now starting to come in. They know that they have to get rid of this duo. As they left. Yep, they.
Блядь, опять Тайлу заебали.
But realistically, what play does Twisted have? This is pretty much it. Blue might actually be able to survive where he is. He will. Unless, never
No.
mind.
There's the attention is on them now. I like the idea that Twisted tried to make something happen there, but the Arena, a bigger.
Как же Тайлу заебало, я не знаю.
Of gutter, essentially, to work with on that side of the road. They had the cars already there. They had talk as well. Twisted Minds were like, either we're gonna prone this one out or we're
Какая-то лютейшая доминация.
It's exactly the same thing happening as the thing. Arena gonna fall for this one. Yes, there's no
Ребята вообще на другом уровне.
for them to give those 3 points away. Now, this is what Petrichor wanted. This waited out. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, 4v4 is on our hands. How do we approach this one? The final circle has popped. It's
Нахуя он туда подъехал, Саммер?
side of the houses. So say, guys, it's an open field. Look at this approach they have. Once they leave Tyloo, it's gonna be so hard.
If Petrichor can somehow just put some damage and pressure onto Tyloo, they may be able to take a little bit of that center
So they-
circle. You can see with the smokes, they're actually trying to do so right now, creating a wall for them to start to close this one out.
Apply pressure, yes, but
Ну-ка, Тайлу или Перо?
cannot get knocked
Я ставлю на Тайлу, без шансов.
player. They know he's there. He's not gonna get over. If he falls, that is an entire open angle for Tyloo to wrap into. And with the changes that have come through, I talked with Ixlef coming into yesterday's games. With the changes that have come through in the team Summer, former IGL on 4am, now with the changes from New Happy and 4am, now he's the IGL on their team. If the IGL falls here, that could be terrible. But here comes Petrichor Road. They want to go full speed forward. They want to take matters into their own hands.
Yes, they do, and CU will actually make it in. And as we talked about blue zone grenades, but they're actually being used on the side of Tyloo. Is now 3 members of Petrichor just on this small one-story building. Zhao Yang, the only one in front, and the nades
С один.
are doing a massive amount of damage to Petrichor.
The fact that only one falls there is huge. They were all four sat on top of each other, but Mill springs out, able to take one down in return. Xiao Yang falls. We've seen the impact that Xiao Yang has had here in these late game scenarios. So having him fall early is terrible for Tyloo. Does he commit to the rest here? He might just, because they're going forward on the other side too. And it's going to end outside the city as well.
This actually is starting to favor Petrichor a little bit, though, because of the fact that, they have that still knock on a Zhao Yang, and they were able to get that member up. And so the nade, Summer will find 755, but the trade with Shen.
Couldn't commit to the rest though, as Xiao Yang is still down, so it's a 2 versus 2. The aggressive side is on the side of Petrichor. Shen peeks on over, does find one, Summer finds one on the approach, spots Shen on the other side of the car. Right in the cover that he needs, but falls. In return, and just like that, a 1v1. Chewy is going for the rest and long snows as he has to execute now. You can see he's crawling around Summer, trying to feed in for a cross, but it's not working on Tyloo. Currently at 10 kills, but the rest has come through for Chewy.
And they have to wait. Ixlef, yep, just needed to heal so they could go for that trade. They're going to end up finding it, and Petrichor will take that from the most disadvantageous position. They waited, as you said,
Переолар наконец-то кайдилар.
to strike with those smokes.
They jumped over the top to get the killing blow onto Tyloo, a team who has been playing so well. And there you go.
Блядь,
There's
Кейти.
the shot. Thank you, Ixlef, for showcasing it in person as well. Many people doubted
Tyloo, ну,
Petrichor,
всё гейт.
but now with Summer in the
А так, и компьютерный клуб адрес неправильно указан, да?
him being now
Почему?
allowed to just focus on what he does best, fracking. We saw it here as well. Whenever he doesn't have to worry about what the rest of the players are doing, but just focus on his crosshair placement, he is
Хепух так?
Yeah, and it goes back to what Gustav was saying. When you're
Не
able to
плане
stop,
тянет.
when you're able to just be that fragger, it works out. But we're going to head to the highlights and the desk.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Yes, it's the highlights here, and the analysis brought to you by STC Players. We've got ourselves Petrichor Road looking awesome on the breach here against Tyloo. Joining me, Toffee, to talk about this game, and I did not think Petrichor was going to be able to make it happen here against Tyloo, but they did.
I didn't either. We saw the Tyloo catching circle after circle. They were set up defensively. Petrichor had to stop pushes. They had to eliminate everybody else, and then they make that push. And honestly, when they missed those blue zone grenades, I thought that's it. Tyloo's got this, and they didn't because Petrichor
Bir challenge istedim to'g'ri.
and then got to push a 2v1, and it was just brilliantly executed.
That double BZ, if they were able to hit the building,
Че проебал?
I think that Petrichor's in all sorts of trouble, but not to be as we take a
Махтал
look at
Дрейк.
these highlights. Some great
Вот и
fights
геймидевики, вот и ебаные полчаса назад, помните.
the arena as well, hitting the car, eliminating some of that cover straight away.
Пабзан ситоиды.
And it was the only play available. That got them into the top 4 because that
Eh.
spot was the only option they had. They played a push that I think most teams would have hesitated to even
Первый лорден toch пылать. Такой.
closes the gap. They go to a 1v1 and then the jump shot at the end. Beautiful way to execute the finish.
Сата вилла в шато Гийом, враг мида, тонкий лед, 5 бенджаминов за бутылку воды. Твой потолок это вверх пико. Как в ебале подобосрался, был наглый парень, стал подобострастным. Пентхаус,
Охуенная машина.
она прогибается. Роф с ними, твоя дольче вида, это раф с медом. Поменяли свободу на раф, Симмонс, мои бизнес, амбиции, раф, Камора.
I don't know how you stop him.
No, it might be difficult.
Аббас. Як Макар дорога. Это адрес городской администрации, а именно департамента земельных отношений, да. Дрейк, адрес где что ли? Аржага нокта биты инчада. Айко. Сомневаюсь, что в этом здании открыли ком-клуб. Я плохо. Не, я бы сказал это. Так, товар доктором Хаути. Почему-то донат не работает, я не знаю почему. Можно вообще вот так вот делать. Бар, тугис обновить.
Этому рэп выебон, я чуть не сел, за него рэперы жмутся к маме. Их вызывают на ковер на поклон, хотя они не мусульмане. У тебя есть проблема, поговорим об этом. Вас встречает лига опасного интернета. У тебя есть проблема, решим как нехуй. Обращайтесь в лигу опасного интернета. Разрешим концерты, выступайте дальше. Мы расцензурим треки, хватит блюрить панчи. Пороки, грязь и блуд, это все лига. Мы знаем кое-что. Эти мелкие бесы от А до З, приспособленцы от А до Я. Мараситы заливает везде, 3 дня дождя. За деньги, да, в очередь, чтобы не блочили. Но заблочит каждого. А ты войдешь в историю как доносчик, который всегда за мною донашивал. Моя жизнь это ёбаный сюр. В Цюрихе делаю крюк, слежка мешает. Рэперы преувеличивают, я преуменьшаю. Мишень на спине, Мишлен в животе, секс-кукла и пара юристов. Если что-то имейте в виду, это был не передоз и не самоубийство. У тебя есть проблема, поговорим об этом. Вас встречает лига опасного интернета. У тебя есть проблема, решим как нехуй. Обращайтесь в лигу опасного интернета. Разрешим концерты, выступайте дальше. Мы расцензурим треки, хватит блюрить панчи. Пороки, грязь и блуд, это все лига. Мы знаем кое-что. Ее покерфейс ждет уголовки на Леди Гага. Тяну ее за дряблую кожу, она вылитая белка-летяга. Пососи мой хуй, эй, пососи мой хуй, пососи мой хуй, эй, мой красивый.
Ебать мне тут этих. Он не охуеет. Уже, наверное, охуел. Ты же Оксимирон, да, Оксимирон. О, нормальный. Я бы не сказал, что прям охуенно. Охуенно было это, блять, я не знаю, это просто лютый разъеб. Нарь, блядь, бо. Вот это лютый разъеб вообще. Вот это вот охуенный клип, прямо сейчас душевно будет. Он-то не ты клип, а просто тохпота. Ну, блядь, это опять дефолтная тема интернета и всего прочего правительства. Вся хуйня. Уже даже подзаебался такую хуйню слушать. Все об этом знают.
Клоун так ищет любви и хоть немного тепла. Клоун боится любви, носит колпак, но он в шипах. Клоун так хочет дружить, только с ним что-то не так. Клоун горько язвит, больно в груди, снова отказ.
Меня десанул клоун.
Может мимо пройти, меня десанул клоун. Что мне делать с ним?
Bля, şaurma var. Şaurma almamıştım.
Безобразный год ковыляет закат по колено в крови. Мое дело вас развлекать пустяками
Во время войны.
А что пустяковее хрупкого эго-артиста? Нет, довести бы шута до самоубийства. Нет человека ранними постирониста.
Не хочу никому давать копаться в своей голове. Не хочу.
Şaurma atı halkan kadırında.
Я внучок, understand.
Сейчас.
Любовное письмо.
Письмо.
Стэн, чисто мы шапы, золотые цитаты. А лето сочиняешься, я не дергал тебя за косички, ты мне не нравишься. Зашквар, ты так хочешь.
Вот это намного круче. Намного оригинальнее.
У них есть шаман. Залупа, пенис, хер, это хиток, спору нет. Но где ты был 8 лет? Пародируй, но изобразить меня харизмы не хватило. Ты сатира на сатира. Больше не читай, плиз. Блять, конечно, тебе больно от моих битов. Тебя ебут на Оксимирон тайп-биз. Объясни своим ебучим детям, как звал меня на легендарную пыль. На $1 миллион, на 12, на ласт.
Он еврей? Охуенно.
Ведь тебе нужен марк, что получился маркетинг. Я новый пуша тик, черту 666. Перебей лоб на XXX. Меняй фамилию и паспорт. Моргенштерн раскрутился на цепи. Жаль, утренние звезды быстро гаснут.
Ну, не да, что-то еврейское есть. Так хуёво.
Ранний фейс в квадрате, весь квадратный фейс. Тебе сказали, будь собой, ты такой, окей, где референс? Из-за того, что у тебя шиза. Если кумир не принимает, это повод для тиса. Ты так заебал в Испанию, твоя мама сбежала, окей. И папа тоже, твой папа Кизару. Чарты все назад, в изи рэп. Ты жалкий зип-архив, скопировать тебя, значит скопировать всех. Эх, оригинальный МС, настолько редкий голос. Люди верят, что на войсе в грязи был ты. Алю за широкие штаны гнобили старшаки. Уважение старше заслужить стало идеей фикс. Ну и как? Все вышло хорошо. Фидук не фитанет с тобой, даже если он станет бомжом. Тимати, АК-47, ёпты, респектово. Все, что наркоману перепало, лишь кока и сода. Это приходит время жатвы. Тебе бы взрослым, но ты только пошатный.
Мехаман нахастай. Iki meha бегна. Сейчас принесу.
Другом быть легко, никто не подавал пример. У тебя свита, крипта, клепта, инфо, цыгане, дым в легкие. Все, кто был тебе близок, далеко и аккуратно. Твои новые близкие недалекие. Светлая память, но вспомни, что об отце ты рассказал Гордону. Лучше по отдельности брать алкоголь и компаньонов. Твоя любовь пыталась тебя защитить, кенты тебя развели, как только вы развелись. Сюжетный поворот, она видит неуважение, значит все верно решила, Алишер наоборот. Я не лезу в твою личную жизнь, ты ее вываливаешь, кончится внимание, ты умрешь перед камерами. По-моему, из дома звездная болезнь, ведь твоя мать не верит в тебя, но верит в гуманоидов. А про лирических героев Малдеры скали донесли, что человечек все не спрыгивает с астероидов. Фальшивая улыбочка под ноготочки. Гоустрайтера виниры, ты лишь оболочка. С собой старый хит, как прикид Кадиллак. И нарциссическая дрочка. Вечно голый торс, ты помешан, ёб ты Кельвин Кляйн. И ты синоним слова фэшн, но ты носишь Филипп Пляйн. Ёбаный стыд, надев господские часы. Уфимский конюх напидорил усы. Да, меня десит каждый третий, тут плюс первый и второй. Просто тем я еще давно ответил, вас всего лишь трое. Если я сделал тебе больно в трансформера, соберитесь и поебитесь.
Мирон очень крутой мужик.
Давай поговорим о нашей популярности. Боюсь, ты начал тему в уязвимой позиции. Для меня тут нет болезненности. Я благодарен за любые цифры, но мои так охуительны. Теперь, каково тебе? Такой суперзвезде тягаться с тем, кто хуй пинал 5 лет. Твой последний успех, двойной альбом. Я видел все насквозь, это двойное дно. Бизнес прогорел, хэппинесс ушло в жопе за пару месяцев, как на мефе. Мой третий веб-лесу почти год в топ-10. Лишь я и бандана, хотя нет, ты тоже среди лучших друзей. Ведь твой рэп белый шум для детей. А что случилось-то? Все ж так хотели пати и золото. Все, день памяти маркетолога. Будь с Кремлем, говори, статистика врет. Это не падение, это отрицательный взлет. Тебя спросили про голое фото, ты в интервью объяснил, что под кокаином все стало маленьким. Если спросят, как упали цифры, скажи, да вы не видели мои стримы в стоячем состоянии. Чё ты сник, все облетит. Вопрос, что остается, когда пройден пик. Отвергла инстасамка, скоро тебе фити откажет. Орудист на меня собрал больше, чем шейх, ты потерял нюх. Клоун задумался о своем наследии, так вот оно. На твоей кровати бутся педики со смыслом, нахуй. Это славянская словесность, извини, тут далеко на одних тачках не уедешь. Ваш клипы, ой, да в один день, что по просмотрам, кстати, я обогнал Бугатти на самокате. В говне ведь Морген под подошвой пережил 3 эры, сколько переживешь ты?
Треки перестали в чартах так долго держаться. И все, у человека будто жизнь кончилась. Иногда мне кажется, что Алишера просто...
Bu ekran klip kadar опасный ведь.
Очень больно хоронить живого человека.
Я долго пробовал не поддаваться, клоун, я тебя не трогал. Хули ты доебался, расхлебывай. Чё ты напрягся, это уже просто подъёбы. Не будь серьезным, дурак, улыбнись, это ж пост-ирония. Фрешманов либо забыли Lil Pump, Smoke Purp, либо похоронили Pop Smoke, Juice WRLD. Так что выбирай, кто важнее, двоим не выжить. Заурядный Алишер, либо легендарный Моргенштерн.
Еще 8 минут.
Шанс на любовь и свободу от сетки, либо триумфальное возвращение посмертно. Блядки, веб-када, экраны, кровь на салфетке. Я пришел освободить мелкого Алишерку. Того до ботокса, Дубая, кремлевских конвертов, дефицитов, внимания, мемов, пранков и кеков. Спасибо, я пообедал кошерно. Помнишь, ты съел деда, сегодня дед съел Моргенштерна.
Опять. Вот так вот шаурма.